Good morning, class. Today we have 1-3, Unit 1, Lesson 3, Remembering. And a lot of today's you're going to be able to complete on your own, but I do want to talk about a couple of quick things with this lesson. Number 1, we're not going to do the stretch your thinking, so you can go ahead and put an X through it. So that's number 6. So you have 5 problems to complete today. But it says for numbers 1, 2, 3, it says in exercises 1 through 3, use this fraction bar. And they're referring to this bar right here at the top. Okay. The first one says shade 2 of the equal parts. What fraction does the shaded portion model? I know you know how to do that, so I want you to demonstrate that for me. The second part here, though, says split each equal part, so each unit fraction, into 2 equal parts. What fraction does the shaded portion model now? So you're going to do that after you have shaded in 2 pieces, and then once you've shaded the 2 in, you're going to break each one into 2 equal parts. And so then you're going to, from there, answer that, what fraction does the shaded portion model now? And so you can do that on your own, but I just wanted to show you what it meant by that. And you're still using that same fraction bar. Number 3 says, fill in the boxes to show how you unsimplified the original fraction. And what it means by that is in these first 2 boxes here, it wants to know what your multiplier was. Okay, your multiplier. Okay, you ended up with a certain number of fractions because you broke each box into 2 parts. So you ended up then going from having 3 parts of a whole, which is here, to 6 parts. So what was your multiplier there? And that's going to be 2. Your multiplier was 2. Okay, so then you're just going to multiply straight across. 2 times 2 gave you your 4, because there were 4 boxes shaded then. And 2 times 3, or 3 times 2, gave you 6. So 6/4. But that's all they wanted to know there, was basically what is your multiplier. I want you to complete 4 and 5 on your own, but I'm going to walk you through number 4 a little bit in terms of the setup of the problem. It reads, a restaurant has 60 plates. One night, 9 groups of 6 people ate dinner at the restaurant at the same time. How many plates were not used by these diners? Well, if you have 9 groups of 6, you need to figure out first how many people ate dinner that night. And if you had 9 groups of 6, you're going to have to multiply 9 times 6. And then you're going to have to pay attention, because then you're going to have a second step from your answer there. You're going to have to say they had 60 plates. That restaurant has 60 plates. So you're going to have to take those 60 plates, and then you're going to have to subtract whatever your answer was from those 60 plates to get the actual answer. Because it is asking you how many plates were not used. So it's a 2-step process. Make sure you read your problem all the way through before you solve. And make sure you use labels for numbers 4 and 5. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure you take a picture of your work, attach it to this assignment, and turn it in on Teams. Thank you.